Snakes are some of the most feared creatures on Earth. With deadly venom, silent strikes, and hypnotic beauty, they dominate jungles, deserts, oceans, and even your backyard. In this video, we reveal 50 of the most dangerous snakes ever discovered. Each one is real and potentially lethal. Get ready, you're about to meet nature's most venomous assassins. King Cobra. King Brown Snake. Woma Python. Mozambique Spitting Cobra. Bushmaster. African Rock Python. Amazon Tree Boa. Banded Krait. Black Mamba. Black Spitting Cobra. Blue Malayan Coral Snake. Blue Pit Viper. Boiga ochracea. Boomslang. Borneo Pit Viper. Brazilian Rainbow Boa. Coastal Taipan. Common Death Adder. Common Krait. Cottonmouth. Desert Horned Viper. Dusky Pygmy Rattlesnake. Eastern Brown Snake. Eastern Coral Snake. Eastern Green Mamba. Eyelash Viper. Fer de lance. Inland Taipan. Jameson's Mamba. Levantine Viper. Mangrove Pit Viper. Mangshan Pit Viper. Meadow Viper. Mexican Cantil. Neotropical Rattlesnake. Puff Adder. Red Spitting Cobra. Red-bellied Black Snake. Rhinoceros Viper. Russell's Viper. Saw-scaled Viper. Sharp-nosed Viper. Southern Copperhead. Tiger Keelback. Tiger Snake. timber rattlesnake, Waggler's pit viper, western diamondback rattlesnake, white-lipped pit viper, yellow-blotched palm pit viper. Thanks for watching. If you love learning something new every day, hit like, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe.